Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. God blessing Archie, and in today's video it's all about hair. So right here I'll just show you guys the hairstyle I was going for. This is so beautiful, guys, so beautiful. So we started by blow drying my hair because somehow your girl decided to wash her hair that morning. But anyways, after that she went ahead to part the hair at the bottom because she started by braiding the bottom of my hair, because apparently this helps the hair lay down flat and also makes it easy in case you want to pack it at any point in time, to make it very easy for you to pack it without any stress. But I'm not really a fan of this, but I think it works, so yeah, we're cool. So after that she moved on to start with the hat thingy, which is like my favorite thing about this hair. But for her to do that, she decided to start by making tiny braids using my natural hair. Here she did not add any attachments whatsoever. So after doing this, I think she made up to 4 or 5 braids or 6, I can't remember, before she went ahead to use attachments on it just to weave it to create the hat thing. So after that she went ahead to weave the parts that she braided, and she started with tiny bit of attachment and she just kept going and increasing it as she went on. It's more like, just, I don't know how to explain it, but I'm sure you guys can see from this, please.
It's hard to find sometimes. Wrote a song about it, now I know my heart is fine. And I just hope you get though, cause I have some things now. Got another chance, but you're smoking with the windows down. Alcohol, cigarettes.
Oh my god, look at my cute little face. I hate making my hair. Oh my gosh, I really do hate this, but I have to. I mean, beauty's pain, right? You need to look good all the time. Anyways, after that she went ahead to do the second part of the hat, and right here she did not do the braids thing that she did with the first side.
But that won't try those eyes.
So once she was done doing the second part of the hat, she went ahead to loosen the first part of it because it was not really working out for her. I mean, we were trying to achieve a perfect hat here, and in order to do that, the two had to join at the end. So I guess the first one was not really working out with the second one, so she had to loosen it and just do it again. And this time she did not do the braids thing that she did at the first one. So yeah.
Living in the moment, caring about my own shit. Being the person I thought I was, I should have owned it. Danced around the throne and didn't care about it. Never saw you, honey, in my mind I thought it was the distance. I miss us. Tell me how you feel, because I didn't think it'd be this hard to fix us. Cause I still miss.
So this hairstyle is all about playing with the hair. So she decided to make tiny braids just like she did at first, and she's just going to make this all the way to the bottom. Then she would then use an attachment to weave it just like she did with the first part of that hat thing. And yeah, So she went back to the part that she braided and she went in with little attachment and she kept building it up till she got to the bottom. And this is a Ghana weaving. So basically I think the whole idea of Ghana weaving is just to start with little attachment and you keep building it up till you get to the bottom part of it. Yeah.
You said I will wait for you if you want me to. Love is hard to find sometimes. Wrote a song about it, now I know my heart is fine. And I just hope you get though, cause I heard some things now. Got another chance, but you're smoking with the windows down. Alcohol and cigarettes is early death, but something about it calms you down. Down. And now you're feeling so alone. Never been in a city that ever felt like home. And you don't really know why. Every time that you drive, looking at the text, but it doesn't help you stop crying. You tell yourself you're fine, but that won't dry those eyes. I thought I was, I should have owned it. Danced around the throne and didn't care about it. Never saw you, honey, in my mind I thought it was the distance. I miss us. Tell me how you feel, because I didn't think it'd be this hard to fix us. Cause I still miss us.
So guys, this is the final look. This is what your girl is looking like. I look really good. I feel like this hair brought up my face very well. I really love it. It's giving me the vibe that I really want. I love it so much. Like, my makeup is sitting pretty. Everything is just really cute. I love it. Like, I'm obsessed, girl. I'm obsessed. So yeah, I got this inspiration from a page on Instagram. So I'm going to show you guys on the screen right here. That was what I was trying to achieve. I think the girl tried. She did her best. Especially, my major problem is this thing right here. This is supposed to be a hat, but I'm still okay with it. I mean, it's not the same person that did the one I saw on Instagram that did this one. So I feel like she tried. Like, she did her best. She did what she could do, and I'm really pleased with it. Like, honestly, I'm so pleased with it. My sister was like, I need to keep on making this hair color. Guys, what do you think? Do you think this hair color fits me really well? Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. I had to put on makeup so you guys would be able to tell properly, so you guys will be able to judge what you think about this whole thing, though. So let me know in the comment section what you think about it. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, and also turn on post notifications to be inspired each time I upload a new video. And if this video inspires you to recreate this, please tag me on Instagram. Yeah, tag me, let me see it and see how gorgeous you look. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Looking on my back and you were still the same.